Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. If you want a better TV sound without a complicated system cluttering up your room, you are in the right place. Today we are looking at the JBL Bar 2.0 MK2. It is a compact single unit sound bar designed to be a simple upgrade for your TV. We will cover the pros, the cons, and the performance, and then unbox it, connect it via Bluetooth, and run an audio test so you can hear it for yourself. This is a 2.0 channel soundbar, meaning everything is built into one sleek unit. No separate subwoofer needed. It is only about 2 feet wide, so it fits perfectly in bedrooms or smaller spaces. It is short enough that it won't block your TV. Why will you get one? First, setup couldn't be easier. Just plug it in, connect it to your TV via HDMI ARC, optical, or via Bluetooth. Sound quality is where it shines. It has dual built-in subwoofers that deliver punchy bars without needing an extra box, and dialogue comes through crisp and clear. A huge upgrade from standard TV speakers. You also get Bluetooth streaming, so you can play music from your phone whenever you want. A few things to keep in mind: since it is 2.0 system, don't expect true surround sound. You also won't find advanced features like equalizer settings or extra HDMI input. At very high volume, the treble can sound a bit harsh, and while the bass is impressive for its size, it won't shake the room like a dedicated subwoofer would. So who is this for? The JBL Bar 2.0 is all about making everyday TV viewing better with zero hassle. It delivers 80 watts of balanced, punchy sound that fills a smaller to medium-sized room. If you want a no-frills plug-and-play upgrade without the clutter of extra speaker, this is a great choice. Now we are going to unbox it, see what is inside, connect it to my phone via Bluetooth, and run an audio test. This is what it looks like. Very sleek, light and not heavy. See the ports. This is the box. Batteries, 2 batteries included. HDMI cable, remote control, the power cable, and also you have the information pack. With some screws. These are stuff included in the packaging. So to set this up, take the remote control, pull it down, take the battery. On the right side, negative goes to the bottom, the positive on the top. On the left side, negative goes to the top and the positive on the bottom. Then slide the cover back up. Take the power cable, connect the power cable to the back. Push it in. So the ports, optical, USB, and HDMI out. On the top, switch the soundbar on and off. Minus is for you to decrease the volume. The plus is for you to increase the volume. This is input or source for you to select HDMI or USB. So select the connection method you want from this. So plug it onto the socket. Switch the soundbar on. And the light is highlighting. So you see a light highlighting on top of the unit here. Then select Bluetooth. Now it's showing us blue light for Bluetooth and the light is highlighting. What that means is looking for available Bluetooth device. So we're going to connect this with mobile phone. So now the next thing to do is go to your phone settings, select connections, then switch Bluetooth on and select Bluetooth. Select connections, then switch Bluetooth on, then select Bluetooth. Then look from the list, JBL Bar 2.0. Select on it. Bluetooth pairing request. Select pair. And it's connected. So once you connected, you will hear the beep from the sound bar. Now we want to test the audio using Orbit sound. Then select my audio. Thank you very much indeed. This soundbar deserves your attention. Thank you.